You guys already know it's time to give out a pet, so here's a winner. If you guys do want anything, just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below that you guys do want a super OP or something pet like that, and I got you. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below your Roblox username, and you watch this video till the end, and there you go. Go check your mailbox, and let's get into this video. Yo, boys, so we finally did it. We got something that was thought to be impossible to get, but I got it thanks to the developers of Arm Wrestle Simulator. So pretty much what I got over here is one of the strongest pets ever in the entire game. And no, I'm not talking about this pet here, even though only 3 of these exist. And this Prisma Dominus is 8 billion stats. Now, if you go over to the season pass, we have a pet over here that's 290 million base stats. And if you go to store, let me just show you guys the pet that I have, the Prisma Dominus. The base stats on that is only, why is this not working? Is only 240 million, which means this pet with 290 million base stats is the new best stat pet, and that was when the season 7 pass came out. Now, if you go over here to the pet index and search up the season 7 pass, which is right over here, here's a corrupt Leviathan, and it shows you guys 2 exist, and it also shows you guys that I have it indexed. So I have literally everything from the season pass index except for that derpy serpent. Now you might be wondering, did I hatch this myself? No, as I said, a developer helped me, and it's not mine. It's just for the video, and then I'm gonna have to get rid of it, aka delete it. So let me show you guys this corrupt Leviathan right here. So here it is, the 2 corrupt Leviathans, and as you guys see, here it is right over here with 291.4 million base stats, bro. That's absolutely crazy. And as you guys see, it does not have an enchant because it's not a real pet. It's not like a real pet that was hatched. This was literally a pet that was spawned into game. And I believe it says 2 exists because of the 2 in my inventory. So still no one even has this pet. Currently, I am the only owner of this pet, which is absolutely crazy. So there's that, and then I got the Corrupt Leviathan, obviously maxed out. So 2 versions, normal and then maxed out. Maxed out is obviously a Void, Ghost, and Red Slime, and also level 99 maxed out level. That is 9.754 billion base stats. I mean, billion stats, not base, but stats and whatever. So 9.7, and then compared to 8 billion. So now what we're gonna do is use our same team of pets. Now I'm gonna unequip this, and then we're gonna go equip that corrupt Leviathan right over here, and then equip that thing. And then now let's calculate how OP our pets are, because if we go look at our pet team over here, I do have a lot of best friend 8. Some are even best friend 9, as you guys see right here. These 2 pets are best friend 9, and then these are best friend 7s. Oh no, I don't even have those equipped. So I have only 1, 2, and oh, that's a best friend 8. That's a best friend 8. So 1. Oh wait, isn't it better to unequip this and equip a reindeer? Yeah, let's just equip another reindeer. There we go. So that's looking good. So I got, let's see again, 1 best friend 9 there. We got another best friend 9 there. So that's 2. That's a best friend 8. And that's it. So then the rest are best friend 8. So we only have 2 best friend 9 pets. So what we're going to do is get the calculator, get this set, add up all of it, since I have 47 pets equipped. I could get more pet equipped, but I need to discover more pets from the index, and I can't do that because there are so many pets that I just haven't been indexing because I haven't been playing the game for those times. So I need to go find someone that has a lot of the pets that I haven't indexed, like for example these right over here, these right over here, some of these pets here, some marshmallow ones, cauldron, no, I already got all these over here, but you guys get the point. All these over here. Oh dude, some of the Greek pets I didn't even index, and Atlantis pets. You guys get the point. A lot of pets I need to index, and then I could get even more pet equip, which means an even stronger pet team. So what we're going to do is just go right over here, type in this number exactly. So 9754,875, and then we got 000. All right, 9.754 billion, and then we get multiple calculator apps up. And then now we look at this. So 160% for every best friend 8 pet. Okay. So we're just going to go over here, paste that into this calculator times 1.6. So this is the stats of every best friend a pet. Now we need to count how many of those we have. So since we have one pet that we're using, which is the actual stat pet, and then two best friend 9 pets, that's 3. So 47 minus 3, that would be 44. So then we're going to times this by 44, and then that's that number right over there. All right. And now best friend 9 pets are actually 200% as powerful as your best pet. So, okay, that is very good. Wait a second, now that I think about it, I think I'm doing this math wrong, but, yeah, because, like, 200%, why would it be times 2? But I'm just gonna do it as times 2, we're just understating this, okay? And then we're gonna do that, times that by 2 again, and then now we add up all of these numbers. And again, I don't know if I did it wrong, let me know if I did it wrong. If I did, I'm understating it, but it's still very OP. So then we could just add up all these numbers right here, plus that, and then we just copy, this right over here, boom, and then add in, this number right over here, boom, and then look at that, guys, 735 billion, bro. That's almost a trillion in stats. So I'm gonna go create the team real quick right over here, and name is 745, I believe it was. Actually, it was 735. So 735 billion stat team. What was 735.5? Okay, so 735. Let's do this. 735.5 billion stat team. There we go. And then create that team. There it is. And then replace it with the current pets. And there we go, boys. Let's check out these pets over here and see how much I get every click and everything. So now, if I go all the way to the last area, I'm gonna check it out, but first we're gonna test out from over here. So with a 1 kg dumbbell, I get 2.1 QA already, bro. Let's see with this thing right over here, 63.2 QA, bro. That is absolutely crazy. Now let's go to the last area, and the last area over here, oh man, dude, how OP is this gonna be? It's probably gonna be insane. So now if we go to the knuckles right over here, I get 1.3 SX every time. So that's with 0 friend boost. Oh no, I actually get 1.3, sometimes 658. Anyway, that's without any friend boost, and that's with a 23% playtime boost, so not too bad at all. And then if we get this thing right over here, 3.1 SX, we got dumbbells, 2.3 SX, hand strength, 1.1 SX. So obviously knuckles is the best thing to grind. But dude, I actually find that crazy because I have no friends boost at all, and I don't even have a 3-time stat boost going. And I believe there is a 3-time stat boost I could use, since on one of the recent updates I haven't used any codes. So while I was doing that, it actually just kicked me out the game for whatever reason. So I lost my playtime boost. I'm at 6% playtime boost now, but I could go ahead and use this code over here, double trouble. So we verify that. There we go, 3-time stat boost for 9 hours. So now let me just make sure I got my pets equipped and everything, because for whatever reason it made me rejoin. So yeah, okay, I think I got it right there. So now if I go auto train knuckles, I get how much now? 3.4 SX, not bad at all. And then if we do biceps, we get 6 SX, and then if we do grip strength, we get 2.9 SX. So that's actually really, really good. Obviously way better to do knuckles, because take a look at how fast I get the knuckle strength, and it's 3.4 SX every single time. You can literally see my normal strength going up, like my total strength number going up, which is really hard to see usually whenever you grind like this, since my total strength number is such a big number. You can see it going up, so that means it's very OP and very good. And I was trying to look at any other things that I could be missing to get more stats, and honestly all I'm really missing is getting more pet equip, which is from the pet index, and probably wearables. That's one thing, because you can put wearables on pets. So if I unequip all of these pets over here, all of these wearables, I'm still getting around the same, I think. So let me see if I put it on pets that I'm using. So I'm getting 3.4 SX right now, and if I put it on, let's say this pet here, because I don't know if the wearables affect these pets that are using their best friend enchant to use its stats. So My guess is you can only put it on like your stat pet, and that still gives me the same amount. So I mean, I can add it on all of these as well to just see if that makes a difference. I mean, I don't think it. Oh, it is. Oh, yo, it is making a difference. Okay, well, I could put wearables on all these pets then. 3.7, not the craziest difference, but it is making a difference. So might as well put all of the wearables on. So now I get 3.8 SX. That's not bad. That's actually a little better. And any other things I could do? I mean, I believe there is a merchant over here. So I could go to Magic Merchant. There's this that costs 100,000 tickets. I don't have 100,000 tickets. Otherwise, I could get these antennas right here. And then it would be 85% boost. But I can't do that. So that's one thing. I can't do any of this. So you guys know how there was a update that came out for enchant update where you could put 2 different enchants on one pet. My thought process was maybe I could like double stack the enchants, like add 2 best friend enchants on my pet, but it kind of didn't work out. So like I did it, and one of my pets that I did it on, which was a reindeer pet, it kind of got messed up. I probably gave it out to someone already, but pretty much what happens is I'm not going to do it obviously right now because it literally messes up your pet. But if you add in another one, it's going to remove the enchant and you're only going to have that other enchant, or it's going to take only the best friend enchant, meaning only your first enchant. So if you go to the sorcery right here, and let's say you pick a pet, right? You have 2 different slots. You have slot 1 and slot 2. So let's say slot 1 is a best friend 9, right? And then you add a best friend 8 on slot 2. It's only going to use best friend 9 since that's in slot 1. Now, if it was switched the other way around, it would use best friend 8, which is in slot 1. It depends whatever's in slot 1. And then I actually accidentally removed one of mine and used slot 1. So make sure you like look at what slot you're using for your pet, slot 1 or 2, because it matters a lot. And I did do one correctly, which is this one right over here somewhere. I have it. Yep, this one. So this has a best friend 8 enchant, and on top of that, it does have a lucky enchant as well, a lucky 2 enchant, which I just added just to see the update and just see everything. Obviously, this makes like little to no difference, but like I'm never gonna be using this. This is another thing. I don't understand why this update came out, to be honest, because we all have pet teams. So like we could use our wins team, we could use our luck team, we could just keep swapping teams since we have a hotkey for teams. So I mean, if there wasn't a hotkey for teams, then it would make sense, because then I would try to make the best friend and lucky team, so that I could hatch and grind pets at the same time, or hatch and wins at the same time, so I don't have to keep swapping over pets. That makes a lot of sense. But when you have like a whole separate team where you could just keep clicking and it'll instantly change to that entire pet team, I don't see a use for it, to be honest. Like 2 slots of enchants, which yeah, I'm probably not gonna be I don't think anyone's gonna be really using it, other than people that use it for actually to add more value to their pets. For example, this Quantum Guardian right here is a very rare pet, and it has this best friend 8 enchant. Now let's say there's a really OP stat pet, and it has the best friend pet, which is best friend 9, I believe, and it has the best winner enchant. I'm guessing that is gonna hold value, because if it has a best winner wins enchant, that already has value. And if one pet has literally the best stat and best wins pet, which is like 2 of the best, that'll have more value, because it's just as if you were buying 2 pets with one pet with the best friend pet, and then another pet with the best wins pet. It's just all mixed in one pet. You see what I'm getting at? That's why I think people might be using it for, to actually add value to their pets. And I think that's probably like the only reason why it would have value, or the only reason of people actually using it. That's the only reason I can think of. And now I'm getting 4 SX because of my 12% playtime boost. So now if I join in with a friend boost, it should add even more. I'm not sure how much. I believe it does like 15% or maybe 20% now. I know that they did an update where it actually gives a little bit more. So 50%. Okay, so it gets 15%. So now I'm getting 4.6 SX every time. That is absolutely insane, and that is actually a W. Now, if I had a full server, then obviously I'm going to be getting like more than double. And then if I had a full playtime boost, I'll be getting like 200%, so a whole lot more. So if you like are fully maxed out, you're going to be getting a whole ton of strength very, very fast. And yeah, anyway, I guess that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below any other ideas or things you guys want me to do in this game. And that's pretty much gonna be it. I'm just gonna stay here grinding for some strength since I do have a 3 times stat boost going and everything, so why not? And see you later. Peace.